All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. Topic is barbecue. Yeah, Barbie was good topic, but now barbecue. So, let's take a start. Do people in your country like barbecue?
Yes, in my country, most of the people like barbecue. Traditionally, in Pakistan, chicken is chicken is in
Chicken is the most common
most
bird in barbecue,
barbecue.
right? So,
So
to
that
us,
is
yeah,
so that is why the people of my country
they like
like
barbecue,
barbecue.
and most of
Most
the
of the
time they
time
like chicken
chicken
barbecue.
barbecue.
Very good. Let's go on. What kind of food do you like to eat for barbecue? Now you can talk about variety of food. First of all, chicken. Secondly, this. Thirdly, this, and all that.
Most of the time, I love most of the time I love chicken barbecue, chicken tandoori barbecue. Secondly, I like beef barbecue in the hotel
In the hotel as well,
as well.
right? So this answer is short. You need to add some more. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Would you like to have barbecue with your family or with your friends?
I would like to have a barbecue with both of my family members and friends because
I would like to have barbecue with both
both
family and friends.
friends,
Right now, explain.
both families and friends because I
How
am
many families do you have? Huh? Family, singular.
family.
Yeah. If you marry twice, then you have two
family
families. Yeah.
because I am very close with my family and most of my friends knows my family members.
Most of my friends know my family members, so I often have barbecue with my family members along with my friends. Like that. Okay, let's go on. Did you have barbecue when you were a child?
When I was in childhood, we did not.
When I was a child, or in my childhood?
When I was in childhood,
When I was a child.
when I was a child, we did not cook barbecue at home because we did not have a tandoor at home. That is
Okay.
why
Yeah, we did not have grill.
grill.
All right, we did not make barbecue,
Make-
not cook barbecue, because we
bar-
did not have barbecue equipment, proper equipment for that, so that's why we didn't do that. Okay, do you prefer to eat barbecue in a restaurant or to make it at home?
Most of the time I prefer to eat barbecue to the restaurant because the taste of this barbecue was very yummy.
Is very yummy, so that's
Yeah,
why if I cook it at home, sar janda hai, kala ho janda hai, like that. Okay, so okay, that's good. Grammar, and you need to explain more, connect your ideas together. These things will improve your bench score. Let's go on. Car trip. Do you like to travel by car?
Yes, I like to travel by car. When I am going to places in my town and other cities, so I prefer the car. Is good for me, and the car is the best.
Okay, you're doing a lot of keep it simple, right? For example,
Yes.
do you like to travel by car? I love to travel by car because car can take me to any place very conveniently. Whenever I travel, whether that is local journey or out city, out of city, I always prefer by car. So to answer your question, I really like to travel by car. That's it. Simple. Okay? Let's go on. When do you travel by car?
Uh, when I was going
When I am. Present tense.
when I am going to Islamabad and other cities for long journeys, so I prefer the car trip is very for car is very comfortable.
I prefer journey by car.
I prefer
journey by car.
journey by car
Because it is very comfortable.
because it is very comfortable and it's very convenient
It is very convenient as well.
as
Or
well.
it is very convenient also.
Also.
Okay, let's go on. Where is the longest distance that you have covered by car?
I was travel.
I once traveled to
I once traveled to our capital territory. Its name of Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Islamabad, and so when I was traveled by car.
I traveled by car. It took me 5
took-
hours to reach there. The
Yes.
distance is around 400 kilometers.
400 kilo.
Yeah, so that was the
was
longest
the
journey
longest
I
journey.
ever made by car. ऐसे बोलना है, ठीक है? हिम्मत करनी है. Yeah. All right. Do you like to sit in the back or front?
Yes, I
Front
like.
doesn't mean bonnet, back doesn't mean trunk.
Okay.
Yeah, in the car. Yeah, front,
Yes,
back.
yes.
Yeah, okay. So, do you like to sit in the back or front when traveling by
Yes.
car?
I like to sit in the front, and either driving the car or in the passenger seat. I like to. I like to. I like to sitting in the front seat.
I like to sit.
When I am in the front. I like keep watch on traffic.
I keep watching on traffic.
I keep watching on traffic, and
I keep looking at traffic.
looking at traffic. And when I am in the front, I am very comfortable.
Yeah, जो आगे बैठते हैं वो पहले पहुंच जाते हैं, जो पीछे पहुंचते हैं वो बाद में पहुंचते हैं. Yeah, so this is another reason. Okay, so just focus your language skills, focus your grammar, ideas, clarity of ideas, and tenses. Right, you'll be fine. Thank you.